How's it going? It's autotips.ca coming to you today with a video that we're going to be doing on this Honda Odyssey. It's regarding the exterior lights. They're not working. Whenever you turn left or right, the lights are flashing fast. And we're going to do a little bit of TLC on it, that we're going to look for safety, all the lights, because that's important. People got to know if you're making left or right. Okay, let's see this thing. So what we got here is a 2011 Honda Odyssey. So every time a person wanted to go left, you can see the light is just flashing fast. Whenever he goes to left or right, they're flashing fast. So we gotta know what that is. It's usually when this happens, that means you got a burnt light front or back. So on this case, on this one is in the back. So we come here, we open the back, and then this is the left side that we have to take. So I got my 8mm. Just take these bolts out like that. I mean, if you don't have a drill, you can use any 8mm or star screwdriver. If you have a nice screwdriver, it's good too. And we're gonna take this light out. So it has a pin, so just whenever you take this out, just kind of tap it a little bit here. You see how it comes out? And then the light is here. So it goes like that. So you just gotta twist it like this. So when it's like that, you just twist it and take it out. Then we check this light out. We got one of these, so you have to replace it with the same. See how it's got two filaments, so that's what you need. Take that, squeeze it, it goes right between these two. You push it in. And if you have a helper, you can, I'm gonna try if this thing is working. I'm gonna try it now. So it's working, yeah? So now we gotta do the other side, you see? Yeah, it's working fast, so we're gonna do now. So on this one, it's right here. So this is the signal light. The same thing, we just gotta twist it like that, and take it out. So you move these out. Then we have another one here. So the same thing, this has two filaments, so you just squeeze it in there. There you go. And then when you put the same thing, you just put it on the thing and then twist it. So we're gonna check that. Yeah, that's working good. This is working good. Yes, so it's important to keep this stuff working properly, especially with the wipers, taillights. As minor as that, it can cause you a huge accident. Of course, traffic tickets and all that, because people got to know which way you're turning, and you have to see in front of you who's there. So you need a clean wipers. Auto Tips is all about saving you guys money. Until the next video, peace.